But we've got some bikes here. I know you've come along to see these bikes. What we're going to do, we're just going to whip the covers off all three of them all at once so you can have a really close look. This is the new Tenere 700 that you've all come to see tonight. We've got it in three different guises. And if you have a look here on the screen, the one model bike will be available. The one that Gordon's jumping on at the moment.
How's it going, gents? Here we are today with the Tenere, Yamaha Tenere 750. Nope, that's not what we're here to see. We're here to see this Tenere 700. Is a fully optioned one with some Akrapovic exhaust, rally seat, a couple of little options on it. It is a good looking bike. Looks way better in person than it does in pictures. It's quite a tall bike, that one. It's got the rally seat on it. That feels a bit more like the KTM 790 Adventure R at that height. It's actually a beautiful looking bike. Like the paintwork on it and the screen, that just here is actually a Dakar 450 right here, and it looks a lot more like the actual 700 looks a lot more like the Dakar bike than a standard bike. This thing's freaking cooler. It's an actual Dakar WR 450, but we want to see the Tenere 700. So got a lot of specs for it that I'll chuck up on, but KYB suspension, Brembo, front discs. There's a couple different colours. That's the blue. Come over here. We've got the old Teneres as well. 600. This one's from I think 88, and then the original Teneres here. Big 30-litre tank on that one. But so that colour is this one. So this design is looking at. This one's got the low seat on it, I think, so that's much lower than this blue one. Try and get around, and there's the black one. The black one looks good. Looks almost like the black Africa Twin. That is a beautiful looking bike, that one. Some crash bars on that. It's a different option. Got pannier racks on the rear. Nice rack on it with I think a top case. Different seat cover. CP2 motor from the MT-07 high output. There's a nice looking bike, that one in black. I like that one a lot. Have a look at this. So some different things, some interesting facts. No riding modes at all, no traction control at all. It does have removable, turn-offable ABS. But I think because it's only 70-ish horsepower, I don't think they needed a lot of different riding modes.
Pretty solid.
Fully adjustable KYB suspension. Actually looks a lot like the suspension off a WR 250. It's just another quick look at the classic Teneres. This is the first one. First XT600. Made for Dakar, 30-litre tank, single cylinder. And the second one was this one, still a single cylinder. 600 electric start, that one. This was kick only, and then this one's the first twin cylinder Super Tenere. Much bigger and heavier, that one. But what do I think about these bikes? I would say they look a lot better in person. That looks, honestly, just looks like an Africa Twin, to be honest. I always thought it looked a little bit strange, this bike, in pictures, but in person it is beautiful. Beautiful looking bike. I would almost say it looks better than the KTM. Very beautiful looking bike. The front tower is awesome looking. Is just quickly read this if you want. It's got some information about what this one's got on it. Let's see what's this one got optioned on it. You can quickly see. Pause the screen if you want to see it.
It's about 35.
Got a rack that's on the so that's the low seat.
Which one do you like? Which colour? I've got that ordered. That's my favourite. I don't mind the red and white, but I think when I get this on the road, mine will have black wheels.
Just trying to get an idea of the ground clearance for you there. Nice little radiator guard. Just trying to get some angles of I know a lot of people, before a bike comes out, they want to see pictures of how things connect and where the exhaust is and what are the pegs mounted to. That's what I'm always interested in. Doesn't have the suspension or the power or the electronics as the KTM 790 Adventure R, but it is a lot cheaper. I know in Australia this bike is $15,500, I think, whereas the KTM is about $23,000, so that's a lot cheaper. And you know, Japanese-made Yamaha bike. Will it be more reliable? I would guess yes. The sit on the low one. Wow, the low seat one is super low. That just makes it very easy to ride. Nice looking Akrapovic exhaust option on that one. Oh, so I think the standard indicators are globe, and the LED ones over here I think are an option. Got a dash on over here. Let's have a look at this.
All you got to do is stop. It sets off now. Turn it back on.
So you physically got to stop the bike?
You've got to physically stop the bike because otherwise the ABS reader is reading. You have it in gear, clutch in, doesn't matter. Just physically stop the bike, press and hold. That's it. And it stays off unless you reset it or you turn the ignition off.
So every time you start the bike.
It's just saying, so you've got to stop to turn off the ABS. You can't do it like the KTM. So these are options, these LED indicators. Very nice looking. Everything looks nice on this one. Yeah, it's beautiful actually. I like the blue, but that black is actually really freaking cool. Some nice crash bars. Pannier racks, special seat indicators. Oh, and a center stand on that one. Nice. Need the bathroom scale nerd. I would do the pickup test for you, but no scales. Dakar 450. It's a serious rig. You got tank in the rear. 4 tanks.
basic work.
Here's my piece.
Yeah, it is.
I'm going to build a bike and it's parts of it on the internet. About 36 litres of fuel, I think he said, in the 4 tanks on the WR450. Very cool. Screen. Yeah, look at that. Proper Dakar screen. And then you look at this. Pretty similar. Oh, there we go. Underneath the seat for you guys.
Can you just take the fuel cap off as well, please?
Again, simplicity. If they use the same filter system, cap system like in the 660, we would have lost maybe 100 millilitres of fuel.
And how do you access the air filter? Is it just
Just there.
Straight.
Those 4 screws,
Yep.
just take straight off.
So what's
That's the first look at the Yamaha Tenere 700, guys. Have to wait till I can ride one. I reckon it's going to be a pretty cool looking bike. Definitely bit of a step up from the WR250R, I reckon, for adventuring. Very cool. That could be me soon. But I would crash and die. Anyway, peace.
In Australia, we can get on the beach, but then we can be up, in the sand and up in the hills and single track, and then, not too far inland, you can be in the desert, I suppose. So you get a wide variety of terrain and what you're going to encounter. So it's great having the ability for a bike that can do all that.